podcast, which is going to be on FB and later on YouTube. And this we have started recently, and this is all about knowing different people in different fraternities, understand their journeys, their work, what are their insights, and we can learn from their inspiring stories. And of course, at the end, we are looking forward for this mind body soul connection and taking that inspiration every single day and living with that. So today we are stepping into, some different, world, which is, you would be very curious to know. It's a world of, tarots. And today our guest is Dr. Sonali Rao. And actually, she's a very good friend of mine, and she is holding PhD in tarot card reading. I mean, it's actually PhD. Imagine, I mean, such a vast subject it is, and she has done a lot of research, and she has not only just mastered this, ancient art, but she has transformed it into a tool which is for deep healing, which is for the guidance, which is for the self discovery. And she's helping so many people out there through her venture, which is the spiritual way. And she's helping out so many people, creating values in people's life and making them that self transformation. So definitely we are going to uncover so many truths, so many myths about this. What exactly is this science? Because this is also a best science to know about. Of course, we'll be exploring many things, clearing it out, many myths which are there. And of course, we will know at the end that how this science of tarot card reading will be a great tool to utilize for our mind, body, soul alignments. Not just for the prediction, but how we can use it for our own self discovery and how we can utilize it. And definitely, if you really want to know deeper into it, you need to stay tuned to us. Welcome you, Dr. Sonali, here. And I'm really very happy to have you here. Uh, Yes, thank you so much. And so we start, discussing on this topic, but obviously I would like to ask few questions to our, guest today. Like, I would like to ask you, Dr. Sonali, ki your journey is like so unique and fascinating. I mean, this is your career path. So can you just share some, like, what was that one thing which inspired you to pursue this, टैरो कार्ड स्टडीइंग इनटू द लेवल ऑफ द पीएचडी मतलब ऐसे क्या था कि जिससे यू गॉट सो इंस्पायर्ड
All right. First of all, Dr. Snehal from Good Vibes Within, thank you so much. She's a friend of mine,
यस
a dear
थैंक यू
friend, not only an amazing doctor, but an amazing human being. It's great to connect with beautiful people like you. So,
थैंक
this is
यू
a wonderful opportunity for me to discuss my topic and talk about my topic and make more awareness. So, that's a
यस
wonderful opportunity. God bless you all. Now, come to a question कि ऐसा क्या हो गया कि that I came to this side. So,
यस
I was a JJ Institute of Applied Arts student. I had done my photography and everything. जैसे typical South Indian family होती है वैसे मेरी थी. Got married, had children and everything. तो जैसे typical life चलता है वैसे चल रहा था. But at one point, जैसे हर एक, I'm sure even you must have gone through the whole thing. Every woman goes through the whole thing where
यस
everything is fine, but you feel that something is missing.
ट्रू
So you're not either mentally, emotionally, physically, financially, something is missing where you're not feeling complete. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे बैक ऑफ द माइंड चलता रहता है कि क्या कम है. जैसे खाने में अगर नमक कम हो गया या तो
यस
मसाला कम हो गया, हमको इमीडिएटली समझता है. दैट वाज हैपनिंग विथ मी and it was 2010 and I was going through a lot of my health issues and lot of issues. That is where I met my teacher, Dr. Manisha Belwalkar. So I had gone to her for the reading. First time मैं जब वहां गई, हम लोग को जैसे लगता है ना, जाते ही ऐसे लगता है कि ओह, this is the thing which I wanted. Just like
यस
a child finds a place, जैसे टॉय शॉप रूम में जाएंगे और एक अच्छा जो खिलौना मिलता है कि this is what I wanted. So when I
यस
met my teacher, I knew that this is the one who's going to take me ahead. So
या
वहां पे जैसे मैं गई, मेरा फर्स्ट रीडिंग हुआ. So the first thing which she told me, मैं सबको ये बोलती हूँ कि सोनाली, nothing will change in your life if you don't change your point of view.
ट्रू
And that is where my entire journey started. तो पूरा जब 29 ईयर्स तक, मेरा पूरा 35 ईयर्स तक, 36 ईयर्स तक यही था कि मेरे साथ क्या क्या हो रहा है. आई वॉज नॉट द चार्ज इन चार्ज ऑफ माई लाइफ. When I
Hmm.
came in touch with my teacher, she taught me how to get in charge of your life. That's how the journey started in 2010. So it's been now 14, 15 years I've been working with her.
Yes.
ऐसे जर्नी शुरू हो गया मेरा.
Yes, yes. I mean, really, as you have nicely pointed out, Dr. Sonali, it is the same thing. Even I have experienced because कुछ तो एक होता है कि जहाँ पे that will, give you back of the mind कि yes, something else. I mean, maybe my purpose is little higher. I need to do something. So ये कहीं पे तो होना मतलब समझना बहुत जरूरी है. And now one more thing I liked when you said कि जैसे एक वो कनेक्शन समझ में आ गया आपको
Right.
दैट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि यस दिस वाज इट मतलब जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि दिस इज माय इकिगाई कि मुझे पता है कि मुझे क्या करना है आई लव डूइंग दिस एंड तब जब वो अलाइंड होता है एंड दैट इज ऑल्सो you like what you do you love what you do and of
True.
course it is aligned nothing like it then we can really master it तो मुझे मतलब हमारे जो ऑडियंसेस है तो काफी लोगों को सवाल होते हैं कि अरे टैरो कार्ड ओ यस आई हैव सीन इन द मूवी और फेयर and everything. So they have lot many myths about it. So मुझे of course I need to know from an expert like, because you have done actually PhD and all whole lot of research into it. So what exactly is this tarot card reading and what is it is not? ये भी बहुत जरूरी है हमें समझना. Yes. So can you elaborate on that?
Absolutely. Like I always say, tarot card from my point of view.
Hmm.
Nowadays, because we have a lot of people on, अभी तो इतना सब जगह पे हो गया awareness. I'm very
Yes.
thankful that lot of people are not getting towards, knowing to know how to get a
Hmm.
life better, clarity मिले, guidance मिले. But from my point of view, I'll tell you, जैसे there are 78 cards.
Hmm.
78 cards में we say that 22 cards are major cards, rest of them are
Mm-hmm.
minor cards. तो
Okay.
जैसे
Mm-hmm.
देखो लाइफ में हमारे बेसिक जैसे इश्यू है, हेल्थ,
Hmm.
वेल्थ, करियर, रिलेशनशिप,
Yes.
इसी के
True.
आजू बाजू वी आर गोइंग थ्रू लाइफ की कैसे आगे जाए, क्या करे क्या नहीं, ग्रोथ कैसे करे. सो इन टैरो
Yes.
कार्ड्स वी हैव 78 कार्ड्स. इन दैट what we do is that major card means some of them are negative messages, some of them are positive messages. मैं ऐसे
Okay.
कभी नहीं
Mm-hmm.
कहती बाबा अभी नेगेटिव कार्ड आ गया दैट्स इट. नो, एवरी नेगेटिव कार्ड हैज अ गिफ्ट टू गिव यू.
Yes.
So
Yes.
for me, tarot is a tool to get into your subconscious mind and
Hmm.
understand the messages. जैसे
Okay.
अगर आपकी डॉक्टर लैंग्वेज में बोला जाए तो पैथोलॉजी के पास हम लोग जाते हैं एंड देन वी डू द टेस्टिंग कि बाबा बॉडी में विद इन क्या हो रहा है. So
Mm.
that is the first, when you understand what is your blood issue, urine, whatever the tests are, then you understand what is happening. Then you go to the doctor and according to that you get medicines and you get cured.
True.
Similarly, with tarot card reading, it's basically a tool to understand what is the subconscious block.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
देखो,
Mm-hmm.
जो भी लोग है अपने तरफ से सब कोशिश कर रहे हैं अच्छी लाइफ जीने की. कोई
Hmm.
जानबूझ के किसी का दिल नहीं दुखाता, किसी को
बराबर.
तकलीफ नहीं देता. बट देर आर
True.
सिचुएशंस वेयर पीपल बिकम बिटर. देर आर
Hmm.
सिचुएशंस
Hmm.
वेयर पीपल बिकम वेरी नेगेटिव.
Hmm.
तो
Hmm.
व्हेन पीपल कम टू मी फॉर रीडिंग टैरो में हम लोग पहले क्या देखते हैं कि आपके साथ इतने नेगेटिव अनुभव क्यों आ रहे हैं.
Okay.
तो
Mm-hmm.
जैसे पैथोलॉजी में आपको समझेगा कि बाबा हाँ ब्लड टेस्ट के हिसाब से, इसके हिसाब से, उसी हिसाब से भी टैरो इज बेसिकली अ टूल टू अंडरस्टैंड. उसमें समझते कि कॉशियसली यू डूइंग सो मच ऑफ एफर्ट बट सबकॉन्शियस में
Hmm.
ये ब्लॉक है. सो हेल्थ में, वेल्थ में, करियर, रिलेशनशिप्स, उसमें क्या ब्लॉक्स है वो एक बार समझ में आ गए ना, तो आप अपने हिसाब से यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन इट. प्लस वी
True.
विल गिव यू लॉट ऑफ रेमेडीज टू हेल्प यू. So
Hmm.
that is for me. Tarot for me is basically giving you guidance,
Hmm.
clarity, so that you can move ahead in your life. You have growth. That
True.
is tarot for me.
Yes. Yes. And what it is not because people have so many myths. वो भी
True.
मतलब
मैं वो
yes. Yes.
बताऊंगी. जैसे
Hmm.
मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि टैरो फॉर मी इट्स मेकिंग मी फ्री. अगर आप
Yes.
किसी के पास गाइडेंस के लिए जा रहे हैं और आप डर रहे, पहले आप डरे हुए हैं, पता नहीं क्या होगा कैसे होगा, everybody is scared कि what is there in the
True.
future. If you go to a tarot card reader or any person who is into occult science, if that person is making you scared, that is
Hmm.
wrong from my side.
True. True.
कोई भी डॉक्टर के पास भी जाएंगे, किसी भी वकील के पास जाएंगे, वो आपको गाइडेंस और क्लैरिटी देंगे. भाई हाँ ये इश्यूज है,
Yes.
इसके ऊपर हम लोग ये रेमेडीज निकालेंगे. व्हाट इज नॉट टैरो, इज टैरो इज नथिंग बट गिविंग यू क्लैरिटी. तो आप डरने का नहीं. एनीबॉडी
Hmm.
हु इज गेटिंग मेकिंग यू स्केर्ड, इज नॉट रीडिंग अ परफेक्ट टैरो थिंग। कोई भी आपको वहां जाने के बाद अरे ऐसे बोल दिया अभी क्या होगा, दैट्स नॉट टैरो। अगर
यस,
आपके
यस।
कार्ड्स नेगेटिव भी आएंगे, जैसे मैंने बोला सिचुएशन के हिसाब से, अगर बाबा ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है, आई गिव एन एग्जांपल कि बाबा किसी कोई अगर मेरे पास आके बोलती है कि मुझे इससे शादी करनी है, आई वांट टू गेट मैरिड टू दिस पर्सन, लेकिन कार्ड बिल्कुल अच्छे नहीं आ रहे, तो नहीं नहीं मत करो, फिर तो तुम्हारा ऐसे हो जाएगा वैसे हो जाएगा, that is not right, that's really wrong advice, and you're getting other people scared. What we do is that if this person has to get married, what are the solutions we can come up with? उसके लिए
Yes,
इतने सारे हम लोग के पास, there are so many other remedies which we give, and if
yes,
at all it is not going to work, there is a way of telling the person. तो
yes,
टैरो
yes.
इज समथिंग विच आई विल से कि डराने की चीज नहीं है, इट इज
Hmm.
समथिंग विच यू नीड टू बिलीव इन अ पॉजिटिव वे, डोंट गेट
Yes.
स्केयर्ड ऑफ इट। सो एनीवेयर
Yeah.
you go for guidance, if you feel that I'm more scared here, then
Hmm.
that is not the right person you should go. Anywhere you
Yes.
go, you should feel more empowered, free, and basically when you come back you should be relaxed about acha I can work it out. You don't have
Hmm.
to get
Hmm.
scared, you have to feel strengthened, and you have to feel very powerful once you're out from the tarot card session. That is
Yes.
for me.
Very, very nicely you have, mentioned, Dr. Sonali. I mean, there are so many myths, and we feel,
Yeah.
oh, we get scared about this, and oh, this has to be done, that. But as you rightly said, it is just mirror of your mind. So it's mirroring, and it is showing you mirror so that we can, take proper actions accordingly. कहाँ पे blocks है, शायद वो blocks पे work करे. And as you said, there are always ways to it. मतलब ऐसा कुछ है
Right.
ही नहीं कि जब हमारे पास मतलब nothing is impossible. We have so
Yes.
many ways, and even as I also work on mindset, life coaching, and NLP, so many ways are there. We can always
True.
find the solutions. We can always clear the blocks out. We can always tune into right frequencies. Definitely, because in a way it is guiding us, helping us कि शायद ये challenges है मुझे, और मुझे उसको उसको work on करना है. It is nothing like yeah, you are just sitting and everything will come. Action तो हमें
True.
लेना ही पड़ेगा, और at least ये proper guide करके लेंगे तो we will reach
Right.
out to the outcome, I think, faster.
Yeah.
Very nicely
Absolutely
you
right.
have mentioned. So जैसे अभी just ये बात कर रहे थे हम लोग कि yes, might be blocks, and it is telling you those about those blocks and all that. So somewhere as we talk about, it is of course related to our energy levels, right?
Right.
So matlab how does it this tarot work is based on our energy levels, and of
Hmm.
course it's a what is the science and psychology behind it, matlab, so what can you elaborate on that,
Okay.
that
This is
generally people overlook basically?
absolutely, absolutely. Very, very good question and very sensitive question. This is because
Hmm.
just this as we were talking, when I started my work, anybody who would come to me. जैसे every tarot card person has a way of doing the reading.
Hmm.
कोई कोई
Hmm.
टैरो कार्ड रीडर उनको डेक कट करके बोलेंगे, कोई बोलेंगे कि ऐसे कार्ड्स रखे, द वे दे हैव
Yes,
एक्सपीरियंस।
yes. Hmm.
So in my progress, in my entire sessions, I understood that अगर आप एक माइंडसेट के साथ पहले आए गए, चलो एक
Hmm.
एग्जांपल लेंगे कि कोई कपल मेरे पास आ गया है कि भाई हमको ये घर लेना है,
Hmm.
हमारे बजट में बैठ रहा है, सब अच्छा है, लेकिन फिर एक मन में डर बैठ गया, पता नहीं वो ठीक
Hmm.
रहेगा, तो एक स्पिरिचुअल एंगल भी देखते हैं, एक स्पिरिचुअल
Yes.
कंसल्टेंसी भी करते हैं कि जैसे फाइनेंस के साथ कर लिया और कर लिया। तो अगर उनके दिमाग में पहले ही अगर फिट है कि नहीं भाई
Hmm.
मुझे ये घर पसंद ही है, तो कार्ड्स पॉजिटिव ही आएंगे।
हाँ.
Because the energy is basically what science, you're a doctor, understand the
Yes.
science law. Energy
Yes.
cannot be created, neither can be destroyed.
True, true.
Okay, so we work with that person's energy. Agar I am taking, if I'm doing a reading with you, I will take your birth date. So your
Hmm.
birth date, your name, I get connected to that cards, and then we will
Hmm.
remove the cards. So
Hmm.
एनर्जी वर्क में होता क्या है, प्रेजेंट मोमेंट अवेयरनेस में हम लोग ये काम करते हैं। तो इसके बाद मैंने क्या शुरू किया, आई एम न्यूट्रल बिकॉज whoever is coming in front of me, मुझे सिर्फ इतना देखना है कि उनको बेस्ट आंसर मिले, क्लैरिटी वाला मिले, वेदर
Yes.
इट इज whether it is positive or negative, but it should be best for them.
Yes.
तो अगर उनको घर लेना ही है, लेकिन मेरे कार्ड्स में मुझे देखना है कि भाई नहीं, उनको ये ठीक नहीं आ रहा है, तो आई हैव टू टेल देम विदाउट गेटिंग बायस कि डोंट गो फॉर दिस हाउस, दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच आई सी। सो उसके
Hmm.
बाद मैंने क्या शुरू किया, मैं खुद, बिकॉज वी डू लॉट ऑफ चैंटिंग, वी डू लॉट ऑफ मेडिटेशन, आफ्टर 3-4 months every month we go for retreats to make sure that our cup is get refilled, because थक जाते हैं तो किसी की एनर्जी
Yes.
खराब ना हो। सो दैट इज
True.
हाउ वी कनेक्ट, बिकॉज द कार्ड्स आर वेरी सेंसिटिव। और अगर मुझे बहुत सारे लोग ये क्वेश्चन भी पूछते हैं कि अभी आज मैं कार्ड देख के गई, तो कल फिर
हम्म
बदलेंगे क्या? तो मैं बोलती हूँ हाँ,
हम्म
बिकॉज
हम्म
कार्ड्स अपने, इट्स नॉट अ परमानेंट थिंग।
ट्रू
जैसे अगर हम लोग कोई पत्रिका देख के बोलेंगे कि भाई तुमको ये है योग, ये ही करो या तो नहीं होगा, मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलती हूँ। आई टेक पत्रिका का ऑल्सो आधार, बट आई आस्क देम टू वर्क ऑन देयर विल पावर एंड माइंडसेट। सो आई आस्क
ट्रू
देम, जैसे कोई मेरे पे आता है, फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू इज आई डू अ 5 minutes meditation to calm them
हम्म
down.
हम्म
Once, because they are very scared, they're anxious, बहुत टेंशन आता है, तो आई मेक श्योर दैट दे आर एब्सोल्युटली काम, रिलैक्स। थोड़ा सा हम लोग उनको वी गिव देम हर्बल टी एंड एवरीथिंग, सो मेक श्योर दैट देयर एनर्जी इज काम डाउन, दे रिलैक्स,
हम्म
देन वी कनेक्ट विद देम। बट आई डोंट आस्क देम कि भाई तुम शफल करो, बिकॉज इफ दे स्केर्ड यू विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग नेगेटिव कार्ड्स ओनली। So that's how
हम्म
I connect with them. So sensitive रहती है बहुत energy. So first I calm them down. I make them make sure that they're ready for the real answers.
हम्म
Not the
यस
answer which are going to just make them happy. The answer
ट्रू
which will take them to a right direction.
यस
That's
यस
how the tarot energy works.
Yes, so it is lot of about energy because
Yeah. Yeah.
as you mentioned, it's a science, it's a
Yeah.
physics. So it is like whatever frequencies you are tuning inside, it will
Absolutely.
come out like that. And just it
That's
is the
right.
transfer of the energy. So rightly, I mean, it is so much, I think, connected. And I think it would be connected to even what we talk about law of attractions and all that as well, I
Absolutely.
guess. Yes. So, I taking it forward because now you are working in this field since so many years, and you are dealing with actually human minds,
Right.
human emotions. Because, as you rightly said, you are dealing with all these energies as well. So,
Absolutely.
what it has taught you, all this journey, what it has taught you about human emotions or about that human spirit? Like, what are your takes on that?
Oh, it's a beautiful journey. I've been blessed to work in this field for last 14, 15 years. I always say this in all my interviews or podcasts or anywhere I've been asked the question. I am the most blessed person where people, different background people come with
Yes.
different things. They come here, they talk to me, they share their life experiences, they make me more rich in my life experiences. They share all the experiences. If I tell you, there are men who will come and cry. There are
Oh,
top notch people who will come. If you feel, बहुत सारे ऐसे जो आते हैं मैन, हमको लगता है कि भाई करियर के बारे में बात रहेंगे, कुछ रहेगा, बट कभी उनके चाइल्डहुड का कुछ ट्रॉमा निकलेगा, कभी
yes,
उनके
yes.
शादी का कुछ इशू निकलेगा, वेयर दे आर नॉट एबल टू टॉक. सो दिस
Hmm.
इज वेयर देर इज utter secrecy and there is no
Hmm.
judgmental. So this is where people
Yes.
cry, they get upset, they get angry, then they completely, absolutely with loving eyes, like a small babies you look. तो कोई भी
Hmm.
एज का आएगा तो स्मॉल बेबी आईज दे सी कि सोनाली दिस विल हैपन ना, आई कैन वर्क इट आउट. So the very
Yes.
pure energy. So
Hmm.
many years, so many beautiful souls I've been able to see, touch life, or somewhere I could just push them to a right direction. It's been blessing. So the
Yes.
kind of work I do, इसमें होता है ऐसे कि हर एक अलग अलग प्रांत से, अलग अलग लैंग्वेज से, बिकॉज ऑफ नेट आई हैव बीन एबल टू टॉक टू लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर आउटसाइड
Many.
इंडिया आल्सो.
Hmm.
So they open up their energies. And one thing I've understood, I can tell you this, so you are also in this path, doctors, where all of us just need a lot of love.
Yes. True.
They go through so much of struggle, so much of competition is there. No, we don't even have time to say, I love you to each other.
Yes. Yes.
Just one hug and I love you will sort your 99% problems in your marriage
True. True.
or any other relationship. So even with your colleagues, मैंने ऐसे बोलती हूँ तुरंत जाके सारे colleagues को hug करो, love करो, थोड़ा हो जाएगा. But you can always, that moment you're angry, upset, but the moment you
Yes.
realize, just make sure that politely you talk.
Hmm.
Everybody is going through so much of stress because it's competition, everything is becoming so expensive. There are a lot of things which are happening, stress,
Yeah.
पैसे का
Yes.
stress, relationship का stress. All the human beings are actually loveless children. Whenever they come,
Hmm.
I find one emotion which connect with me is like loveless child. The moment you approve them, tell them you will do it, you can do
Hmm.
this, and they do
Yes.
it. You just need to
Actually.
put in a lot of confidence and positive energy in them. They do it. So human beings are beautifully designed. अगर तुमको मुझे मौका मिले ना, तो ये मौका लो और उनको जस्ट पुश करो टुवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव एनर्जी. जैसे हम लोग एक
Yes.
जोत से दूसरी जोत नहीं लगाते,
Hmm.
वही
Hmm.
हमारा काम है.
Very, very true.
Yeah.
I mean, very beautifully said, because that is how the healers and
True.
spiritual mentors they work. It is just that everything is inside. We just have to bring it out. And I think वो रहता है ना कि कोई तो एक चाहिए mentor. Even for in Mahabharata, as we say, Arjuna also had everything, but he needed Krishna for that,
True.
awakening. So we really need that mentor there to bring everything out, that absolutely rightly described.
True.
And of course, as we also deal with being in this field of fertility, I deal with so many
Yeah.
human emotions. I mean, I can see that they sometimes just need that validation, they just need that love. And एक वो छोटा सा gesture or that your good words will give lot of energy to them, and that
Absolutely.
will create miracles. And I think that you are doing it beautifully, because of course then you will see so many results. And I
Yeah.
think yahi hamara energy that which gets passed on to people, and
Yeah.
they will be able to take action and give the get the best results for them. So
True.
absolutely. So थोड़ा सा कुछ myth busting करते हैं, like there are so many misconceptions, because tarot पे है तो काफी misconceptions होते हैं. So it is like people say कि ये सब it is just about predicting future, because you've told us like it is how it is mirroring yourself and all that, but still for some people still they link this to certain superstitions, or maybe it is just the prediction kind of. So what is that? I mean, how you want to tell our audience that yes, it is not that, and how we can burst this myth, like.
Absolutely, it's a great opportunity for me to talk about it, because
Yeah.
as I told you before also, that in tarot, basically, I always say that somebody had even asked me what are the limitations. So
Hmm.
I always say that in fact, tarot makes you free, limitless.
Actually.
क्योंकि अगर कहीं कहीं जगह पे जब हम लोग हाँ बोलेंगे कि अगर इफ आई टेल यू इफ आई सी योर पत्रिका एंड से नहीं नहीं अभी तुम्हारा ये महादशा चल रहा है तो ऐसे नहीं होगा, तो यू आर कंप्लीटली कट डाउन, तुम्हारा विल पावर ही कट हो गया.
Hmm.
But in tarot, एक तो first of all, I do not believe that tarot is something is future teller.
Hmm.
I always say that you and me will walk together and create a better future.
True.
So any person who comes to me, if I will always give you two options to work on. कि भाई, if you do that, let's take an again example. It's very easy to relate. If somebody will come and ask me, कि Sonali, should I go for this job? Can I
Hmm.
take this job? So when I
Hmm.
see the cards, if I tell this person, नहीं तुमको job तो नहीं मिलेगा, will that person
Hmm.
go for an interview also?
No.
No.
Hmm.
So I encourage that person ki see, go and give this particular interview. See whether you are going to get the kind of salary or the kind of package you're needing for.
Hmm.
If
Hmm.
not, then we will have one more. Then I'll give them one more option. These are the things which you can come up with. So that
Yes.
person goes with that positive energy कि अगर मिले नहीं मिले, but I am clear
Hmm.
that whatever I want, I didn't get it here, तो दूसरी जगह मिलेगा.
Yes.
So
Yes.
that is
Hmm.
the energy we create. So that's why I say it's not a future click, क्योंकि उसको एक बार predict मैंने कर दिया, अभी भी
Hmm.
तुम्हारा जॉब नहीं होगा चलो, तो कैसे,
I
how
know.
that person, you are actually sabotaging his self worth. So
True.
as a healers, we should heal them, hold their space, or we should just cut down limitation now. So tarot is limitless. I
Hmm.
whenever whoever comes to reading, मैं उनको दो possibilities हमेशा देती हूँ कि ये करेंगे तो ये हम लोग का होगा, ये करेंगे तो ये होगा. 6 months to a year, I will tell them these are the things which can work out.
Hmm.
I never say that tarot for me is a predicting tool.
Hmm.
So for me, it's basically more clarity, more guidance, and more possibilities to go ahead. Anywhere
Yes.
you go for tarot, everybody's got their different ways to say. But for me, I would tell all our audiences, please do not get scared and do not get into limitation. कि अभी prediction
Hmm.
मतलब क्या? अभी ये हो गया तो तुम्हारा विल पावर वहीं
Hmm.
तुम लोग कट कर दे रहे. हाँ,
True.
जैसे हम लोग वार्निंग देते हैं, जैसे डॉक्टर भी वार्निंग देंगे ये करोगे तो ये
Hmm.
होगा. दैट्स हाउ वी गिव देम गाइडलाइंस कि बाबा तू एकदम ये मत करना, दिस विल हैव दिस रिजल्ट्स. But
Hmm.
there are
Hmm.
people, let me tell you, I have got so many examples. There are people who have such a strong willpower. अगर मैंने उनको बोला भी है कि देखो कार्ड्स में अच्छा नहीं आ रहा है, उन्होंने वो ओवरकम करके दिखाया है. जैसे पूछो मुझसे
Great.
क्या क्या होगा, व्हाट इज द वर्स्ट, ऐसे तो
Hmm.
ये हो जाएगा नुकसान, ऐसे ऐसे रिलेशन में हो जाएगा, आर यू रेडी? So one of my client had told me, yes, I am ready because my intent is very strong. I am ready to go through the struggle. I said, then
Wow.
that's fine. Because
Hmm.
if you're
Hmm.
so strong headed and you know that these are the challenges I'm going to get, but I will overcome. Let's work together.
Wow.
So I always say that though there are no limitations, myth ऐसे मत रखो कि बाबा बस अभी हो गया नहीं होगा. So tarot sets you free.
Yes,
That helps you.
yes. Very, very beautifully said. Because it is all like, I mean, you are helping people to create their dream life, or rather, I
Absolutely.
would say, redesign their or design their future the way they want. It is,
Absolutely right.
yeah, and this is just a tool that we are taking in our journey so that we understand. And as you, ये तो बहुत मुझे अच्छा लगा कि whatever difficult situation, even it is just that we need to face with that strong mindset, growth mindset.
Absolutely.
Yes, and that is the courage. So, I mean, I think yes, then that's why I understand now how you are like a spiritual mentor plus healer plus tarot card. So it's a very good combination, not just one. So you are using all those energies
Yeah.
together. Yes, yes, of course. So taking it forward, of course, I would like to ask, like, because you have given us that beautiful, realization that how this tarot is about mental clarity, how this is about that strength and empowerment. So I would like to ask, because our work is also more or less of mind, body, soul connection. So
Yeah.
how we can utilize these tools, for our emotional, physical well-being, how we can utilize it for this mind, body, soul connections, like.
Okay. Tarot as a tool itself is a very powerful tool.
Hmm.
So whenever you go for any session or when you do a tarot card session, जैसे मैंने पहले ही बोला था कि tarot is going to help you work on your mindset only.
Hmm.
So how can we make our mindset, our physical strength, and even soul also connection? So हमेशा याद रखना. My cats are also fighting for this answer.
Hmm.
So as I was saying that whenever we are talking about mind, soul, and body, is basically जैसे चक्रा का होता है. Where I take
Hmm.
the chakra also in that. That
Hmm.
whenever all your intents, your actions are aligned, you will get the results. So in
True.
that, how tarot helps you, that if you keep a certain intent, that let's take an intent that I want to get more wealthy, कि बाबा
Hmm.
और I want to एकदम simple लेते हैं और कि I want to have my own house. Okay.
Hmm.
So your intent is that. So mindset क्या होना चाहिए कि बाबा I'm worthy of the house.
Yes.
ओके एंड आई कैन क्रिएट माई ओन हाउस. नहीं अभी तो कोई दिख ही नहीं रहा है, ना मेरे पास लोन है, ना मैं इतना कर सकती हूँ. ये तो प्रॉब्लम्स है एग्जिस्टेंस.
Hmm. Hmm.
हमको
Hmm.
क्रिएट क्या करना है, अ माइंडसेट वेयर यू कैन डू इट. तो अगर हम
Yes.
लोग फोकस करेंगे जो प्रॉब्लम है उसके ऊपर, तो वो एक्सपांड होगा. इट्स अ साइंस
True.
लॉ. एनर्जी विल फ्लो
Yes.
वेयर द अटेंशन विल गो. So for a
Yes.
mindset, what you need to do is that basically we come up with affirmations, we come up with
Hmm.
music, some
Hmm.
things, some feng shui things, or some things which we start. These are all additional things we use for our mindset. But the
Hmm.
first thing you do is your affirmation, and your intent needs to be strong. तो
Hmm.
जैसे तुमको घर लेना है, what are the actions you're going to take? Logical and magical. Logical में क्या लेना है कि बाबा how is my bank balance? Am I going to
Hmm.
meet some bank people? Am I going to make some? I'm going to talk to my HR. What are the things I can do? These are the logical
Hmm.
things.
Yes.
Logically,
Yes.
is it worth buying right now?
Hmm.
ये या दूसरी जगह पे देखो, ये लॉजिकल हो गया. तो ये भी एक्शन लेना है. मैजिकली व्हाट वी डू इज दैट, जैसे देयर आर सो मेनी रेमेडीज विच वी डू, दैट एफर्मेशन करेंगे हम लोग, चैंटिंग करते हैं हम लोग, या तो हम लोग एनर्जी सर्कल्स देते हैं. सो एज अ
Hmm.
स्पिरिचुअल कंसल्टेंट ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी डू. Basically for us, our mindset, we need to turn this from negative to positive. This will help you. So any
Hmm.
intent you want to work, you have to make sure that you are, giving actions towards positive energy. सिर्फ
Hmm.
इंटेंट रखे भूल गए फिर वापस हम लोग नेगेटिव में भी सोचना शुरू करें तो कोई फर्क नहीं होगा.
True.
Emotionally also, you need to understand that emotionally also a lot of people, we are taking this example of the house. What are the emotions which you will experience when you have a house?
Hmm.
Oh, I'll feel free, I'll feel
Yes.
overjoyed, I'll be very proud of myself.
Hmm.
From that point of view, if every day morning you sit for chanting, if you sit for meditation or write down your wishes, then only these things will work.
Yes.
क्योंकि
Yes.
जाते थे जापान पहुंच गए चीन, ऐसे रहेगा. मतलब एक तरफ से हम लोग रो रहे हैं और दूसरी
Hmm.
तरफ से यार मेरे को घर चाहिए, दैट विल नॉट वर्क. एक
True.
सिंपल
True.
बात है. कोई भी रोते वाले आंटी अंकल के पास हम लोग घर में जाते हैं नहीं, यार बहुत रोते नहीं. सो पॉजिटिव एनर्जी, लक्ष्मी या कोई भी चीज, एंड वेन एवर देर इज हैप्पीनेस, कभी आपने सुना है पैसा ही पैसे को खींचता है? because
Yes.
the more you have positive energy, ये तो उधर ही जाएगा. So
Hmm.
first we have to create this with lot of actions, logical also, magical also. Once you get
Hmm.
that mindset ready, then your intents will start coming true.
True.
So for
True.
that, a lot of actions are there. We work on those actions. Whenever people will come, we work on those remedies also. But actions with your intents has to match.
Hmm. Hmm.
देन द माइंडसेट. तो बॉडी सोल और हम लोग माइंड जो साथ में आने के लिए, जैसे बोलते हैं कि कुंडलिनी अवेकन, मतलब क्या सब इंटेंट भी और योर एक्शंस आर एब्सोल्युटली अलाइन. तो वो उसके बाद फिर हम लोग वो डिफिकल्ट नहीं लगता. जब
Hmm.
हमको डिफिकल्ट लगता है, दैट मीन्स योर इंटेंट्स आर डिफरेंट एंड योर एक्शंस,
Hmm.
it's
Yes.
just going apart ना. So if you
Hmm.
want everything to be aligned, mind, body, soul, पूरा तुमको अलाइन चाहिए. जैसे जिससे को हम लोग कुंडलिनी अवेकन भी बोलेंगे, where your chakra opens, your crown chakra opens and you're absolutely ready to receive. उसके
Hmm.
लिए actions लेना जरूरी है आपके इंटेंट के हिसाब से.
True. True.
That's how it will manifest.
Yes, you have really nicely said. I mean, it's a combination of everything, I guess,
Yeah.
because beautifully said that yes, how that alignment, because even
Mm.
I have seen once it is aligned, then your health is also maintained. You get
Absolutely.
whatever you want, your
True.
all other, मतलब it's like a wheel of balance जो हम बोलते हैं life का wheel, वो सारा balance हो जाता है.
Hmm.
उसके लिए alignment होना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. एंड ये तो आई मीन आई रियली लाइक दिस अप्रोच दैट
Yeah.
ये जो टैरो का मिररिंग देखते हुए चैलेंजेस समझते हुए हम लोग ये सारे एक्शंस लेते हैं एंड दिस
Hmm.
अगेन टू गिव अ स्ट्रेस अपॉन फॉर आवर ऑडियंस यस
Yeah.
टू टाइप्स ऑफ एक्शंस मैजिकल एंड लॉजिकल आई रियली लाइक्ड इट
Good.
I mean, we should start, I think, being what we want. So we want to be focused on being that person rather
Yeah.
than just, wanting. Otherwise, that becomes that desperation energy where things will not come to us. And when we
Absolutely right.
focus, yes, when we focus on being that person and that alignment, definitely it is like a magnet. Like, of course, law of attraction would definitely work.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, it is taking a wonderful turn. Of course, discussions, or it's almost half an hour. We didn't even realize
Is that
that.
so?
Yeah.
Oh my God,
So
that's great.
yeah, but of course, I would like to ask last one or two questions because see, this is like very powerful tool, and as we know, when the tools are powerful, it comes with a lot of responsibility. And I think you have already mentioned like how you are using this tool in, well, it's not a misuse, but you are using it
Yeah.
for the empowerment. You rightly said it is not to give the fear or anything. And of course, you have given that guidance to us but I would like to just, give that one message to our audience that someone is still skeptical about this, like how,
Hmm.
like people like you, mentors like you, are really using it with responsibility, and how we can take this journey ahead if someone really wants to take.
Okay. So, a lot of people who hesitate and come, like, uh, if one of the person has come, I'll tell you one example of my friend. She had come,
Mm-hmm.
she got the result. So she had told her brother कि तुम एक बार जाके देख के आओ, तुम्हारा problem solve होगा. So when this person came to me, he said, Sonali, actually I don't believe into all this. But मेरी बहन ने
Mm-hmm.
बोला है इसलिए मैं आया हूँ. She said नहीं, you have to go. So मैंने बोला ठीक है, अभी अभी आए हैं हम लोग बैठे हैं, तो whatever the work is, we'll see.
Mm-hmm.
Then अगर तुमको अच्छा ही नहीं लगा है तो बिलीव नहीं है तो anyway you can move ahead, anyway you don't believe. So
Yes.
when I started talking to him, मैंने तो पहले कार्ड्स निकाले ही नहीं. First 10-15 minutes we were just discussing. देखो,
Mm-hmm.
whoever doesn't believe, जो पहले आके बोले कि नहीं I don't believe or and I don't think it works. Or few of my friends said that how can we discuss our private things? It's very personal. So
Mm-hmm.
पहले if a tarot card reader is keeping a utter secrecy, check that. It has to be very private and secret because our job is to uplift the energy.
Mm-hmm.
दूसरा, वहां जाने के बाद जैसे स्केप्टिकल जाने के लिए ही है, तो पहले आर वी गेटिंग इनटू राइट गाइडेंस. तो कैसे समझेगा कि बाबा हम लोग जा रहे हैं नहीं जा रहे. एक तो पहले डरे हुए इसीलिए लोग कि तेरा सो मेनी पीपल नाउअडेज टॉकिंग अबाउट ऐसे करेंगे तो ऐसे होगा, वैसे करेंगे तो वैसे होगा.
True.
तो वो जो डर बैठ गया है ना, तो कौन डर बैठेगा तो किसको और ज्यादा डेंजरस चीज है, भाई जान दो पता नहीं क्या निकलेगा. तो जैसे मैंने
Mm-hmm.
पहले ही बोला था, डोंट गेट वरीड और स्केर्ड.
Mm-hmm.
Like we go for regular test so that we can keep things in control. This is
True.
basically a guidance so that we can have a clarity कि अगर दिखता भी है कि वो this is getting problematic, how do we have a road which will be helpful for us. जैसे
Hmm.
बाकी के कंसल्टेंट है वैसे ही हम लोग हैं.
Hmm.
So don't get skeptical about the whole thing. We are just going to give you a direction.
Yes.
I will not say that टैरो का रीडर ऐसे टैरो का के पास जाओ कि डर जाए आप लोग. तो
Hmm.
पहले
Hmm.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डोंट हैव टू गेट स्केर्ड. दूसरा, जैसे मैंने उसको क्लैरिटी दी थी, जैसे वो पहले डर क्यों गया था और ही वाज नॉट रेडी टू कम बिकॉज ही हैड गॉन टू मेनी पीपल
Hmm.
एंड ही नेवर गॉट द रिजल्ट्स. He said, I have spent lot of money and never got the results. Things have become more worst. So किसी को भी skeptical क्यों लगता है? Because past experience अच्छा नहीं.
Hmm.
तो past experience अगर अच्छा नहीं रहा, तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? आगे डर जाते हैं.
Hmm.
तो इसीलिए फिर पहले मैंने उससे बात किया ऐसे कि I will not charge, I will not even see the cards. Let's just discuss like a friend. Let's talk. So when I
Hmm.
spoke to him, see, it's not only tarot card reader. You need to be a friend also to that person, where a
Yes.
person can open up. And to be
Hmm.
very honest, Dr. Snehal, if you can just listen, सबको मालूम है सबका प्रॉब्लम क्या है, सबको सोल्यूशन भी मालूम है. देर बट सबको खाली जाके बात करनी है. वी नीड अ ईयर टू लिसन.
Hmm.
तो जैसे मैंने उससे बात की, उसको गुस्सा आया, रोने आया, फिर उसने बताया नहीं नहीं, आई विल सी, आई विल कम वन मोर टाइम. आई जस्ट वांटेड टू सी वेदर आई एम इन द राइट डायरेक्शन बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ मनी हैज गॉन. दूसरा, उसको इमोशनली चोकअप हो गया था. ही फेल्ट चीटेड कि बाबा विथ
Hmm.
लॉट ऑफ ट्रस्ट आई एम गोइंग टू पीपल बट थिंग्स आर नॉट वर्किंग.
Hmm.
दैट्स व्हाई पीपल गेट स्केप्टिकल और फिर जाके कैसे बोलते हैं कि नहीं नहीं इसमें कोई है नहीं यार, बिकॉज उनको पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस खराब आया है. तो कभी भी
Hmm.
किसी के पास आप जाएंगे तो पहले आप देख लो कि बाबा उनके somewhere you should know that person, somewhere
Yes.
how the how the results are. When you meet a person, all of us have this sixth sense. When you see the person's photograph or maybe the link or whatever, are you sure you want to go? तो
Hmm.
चकाचौंध या इस पे मत जाना, तुम्हारा पास खुद का सिक्स सेंस रहता है. वी हैव
Hmm.
आवर एल्डरली पीपल इन द हाउस. यू पूछ के you go to, because this is very private and this is a very sensitive thing. So they are skeptical, upset because they have gone through a lot of negative energy.
Yes.
So
Yes.
just make sure that wherever you go, before you invest lot of money, ये बहुत बड़ी
Hmm.
चीज है कि skeptical क्यों होते हैं, गुस्सा क्यों होते हैं, बिकॉज बहुत सारे पैसे उन्होंने दे दिए. ऐसे प्लीज मत करो. पहले आप पहले किसी के पास जाके पहले एक छोटा सेशन लो, अंडरस्टैंड कि बाबा मुझे आई थिंक दिस कैन वर्क. Then only you go. Don't go with lot of money and lot of investment, which is going to be difficult.
Hmm.
तो past experience जैसे खराब रहेगा, you get skeptical.
Yes.
Step by step. This is result oriented. One by one. Don't get into lot of money and lot of investment. ऐसे मत करो. रुको, पहले देखो आपको एक छोटा सेशन लेके अच्छा लगा क्या, इससे रिजल्ट्स आ रहे हैं क्या. Then step by step go. Invest your money and your time and your basically energy and your vishwas one by one, step by step. Then you will
Yes.
not get hurt.
Yes, you have really nicely given those, tips and tricks, like
True.
whoever wants to go. And yes, I mean, it was really wonderful discussion, Dr. Sonali, and I really appreciate that you being that, guidance or right guidance to people, where showing them mirror, then of course not scaring them,
Yeah.
but being with them as their friend, companion, their channel, and holding their hand to actually, design their life the way they want. I mean, that is how I think a true healer and spiritual mentor has to be. And thank you so much for being here today. And actually, you have shown us, like, how this just actually nailed all the detailed facts about tarot, and we understood that it's not scary, it's not just something which is very superficial. It has a deep meaning. It's all connected to your energies, it's all connected to your mindset. Of course, it is connected to your action taking role, because ultimately that is what is going to give us results. This
Yeah.
tarot tool will give us that clarity. We can utilize it for taking maybe right actions. Definitely, I mean, you have given a lot of wisdom to us. And I'm sure our audience, they can of course connect to you. We'll mention your details also in
Absolutely.
the description, so whoever wants. And let me tell my personal experience with Dr. Sonali. Obviously, I mean, we have spent some time together, and that was a
Yes.
wonderful time.
Uh,
And
yeah.
definitely it was kind of retreat, I would say, because we understand, as you said, it is about that connect, that everyone would understand that energy, that
Yeah.
yes, how I'm getting to this person. And she's a wonderful friend, mentor, and a lot of energy I get from her. And thank you so much for being here for today's episode. It was wonderful talking to you. Thank you so much. We'll connect again. And for all our audiences, you can please check the description and connect. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. God bless you. Thank you for this opportunity. God bless. Bye bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.